Let's talk about home inspections. How much time do I have for a home inspection? The most standard amount of time is a 10-day inspection period, and those are business days, so you have about 14 calendar days. With that being said, you can choose however much time you want. The shorter the inspection period, the stronger your offer is. The longer the inspection period, the weaker your offer is. Now, if your realtor has written your contract this way, you can cancel any time within that 10 days and receive your earnest money back. To strengthen your offer, you can waive your inspection, although I would still recommend getting an inspection just in case you need to cancel in case something huge is wrong with the house. Always get an inspection. However, if you have not waived your inspection contingency, you can cancel any point in that 10 days and fully receive your earnest money back. So in the first couple days, you want to get your inspector out there, analyze what's wrong with the house, call for bids, and then you could ask the seller to repair some items. You can ask for some money off on the house. You can ask for more closing costs. It's basically like a second negotiation. The sellers would have to agree to everything that you asked for, and sometimes they'll counter and you'll counter back and come up with a price where you both meet in the middle. With that being said, all the negotiations have to be completely done and signed prior to 5 p.m. on that final day. And then at 5 p.m. on that final day, your inspection contingency period is over. If you're looking for advice or to find a good inspector in the area, please reach out to me. I hope you guys have a great day and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.